Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, and today we are going to learn about how to create pivot table fast. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Yeah, just take 2 seconds, subscribe. Yes, thank you. So we will use this employee salary dataset to create our pivot table. So the first thing when you're creating the data table, you have to click on insert here, then on pivot table. Then from table range. Then our table range is the table that is in front of us. This one. Just click there anywhere in this data set and then click Control A, and that's you have created. That is how you select the data range. Then choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Say new worksheet. And then click OK. And this is our pivot table. This is where our pivot table will appear, and these are the fields that we will be using. So for example, we want to create a table that maybe has the department and maybe the education level. So we just come here and say we want to see department, we put on rows, and then we put monthly salary. Let's say monthly salary, then go values. They'll give us the sum. So this is a table that shows us how the departments, their salary, the monthly salary per department. This one gives us sum. You can also, if you want to change it to maybe another value, you can come here, click here, then value, field settings, and then you can see maybe count. Let's say you want to do the average, and then click OK. And that's it. You can also here on the number set, you can come and set the number format. Let's say I want only, let's say I want currency, and the dollar and decimal places, and click OK here. OK again, and that's it. So also if you want to, you can also filter. You can add, let's filter by gender. Yes, filter by gender, drag gender to filters. So the gender is here, you can click here. Maybe you want for male, female only, click OK. So this is the average monthly salary per department for male only, female, sorry. And then you can change to male. Okay. Yes, and that's how you basically create a pivot table in Excel and do the necessary changes. Thank you. Please subscribe. Thank you.